Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about reading. We'll discuss the purposes of reading and three common strategies that we use while reading on different occasions. Before going into the reading strategies, let's ask a question to ourselves first. Why do we read? There are multiple reasons behind reading. The most common ones are reading gives us pleasure and provides us with knowledge. However, sometimes we read to understand a particular text and to collect information. Reading is done for various academic, professional, and research purposes as well. So, what are the three most common reading strategies? They are skimming, scanning, and annotating. Skimming is usually done to get an idea about the text. Scanning is done with the purpose of collecting information, and annotating is carried out while engaging in academic reading. Let's discuss each of the reading strategies in detail. Skimming means reading a text rapidly to get an overview. We can skim through a text by reading the title first and guessing what the text could be about. We can also have a good look at the accompanying graphs or pictures since they can say a lot about the context of the text. The headings and subheadings can give away crucial information about the text as well. While the first and the last paragraph should be read very carefully, reading the first sentence of other paragraphs can be enough to get a general overview of the text. However, for finding out a specific piece of information, skimming may not turn out to be very useful. For spotting the necessary information, scanning can prove to be very effective. Scanning means reading rapidly in order to find specific facts. To scan meaningfully, first we need to select the piece of information that we are going to search. This is important to look for the information in a focused manner. Secondly, we'll have to anticipate what type of information or answer we are looking for. For example, to find out a date, we'll have to look for numbers. Also, we can use the headings to spot the location of the information. Moreover, it is important to read selectively rather than reading the whole text to find out the desired information as quickly as possible. It could also be that different words or phrases have been used to include a certain piece of information in the text. Therefore, looking for synonyms of keywords and phrases can help significantly. It is also important to ignore irrelevant information while scanning, otherwise it may take forever to find out the desired pieces of data. The third strategy is annotating. Annotation of a text is mostly done for academic and research purposes. It involves highlighting and underlining or writing notes while reading a text in order to make it easier to recall specific points or to refer back to paragraphs containing certain pieces of information. Annotating is done by highlighting or underlining the main ideas of each paragraph. Also, circling unknown words, phrases, and keywords is necessary to make a contextual guess of the meaning of particular sentences. In addition to that, writing down individual understanding of each paragraph as marginal notes makes it easier to write answers to questions based on the text. Moreover, identifying points of agreement and disagreement as well as briefly writing down the reasons can be very useful to construct a strong argument while writing a question answer or an essay based on the text. Lastly, it is important to annotate according to the questions that follow the text during an exam or a class activity because in that way we can save our precious time. That's all about reading. In case you have any confusion, please read the chapter on reading in your booklet. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to write an email to your teacher. Thank you so much for listening.